Okay, so let's begin our today's video, and in this video we are going to configure this WebSocket connection of server side. Okay, in the client side WebSocket server has been already configured, okay, in our previous video, so please go and check it out, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, yeah, my channel is small and I need to grow it. Okay, so you have to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's begin our today's video, and let's remove this pass statement, and yeah, self dot channel layer dot group name. Now group name can be anything, for example test group. Okay, let's group name test group. Okay, right. Now we will with the help of mm, method group add. Okay, now in this group we will add this room group name. Let's put this. Okay, self dot room group name and self dot channel name, right? Channel name, we don't have to define the channel name, it will be already defined in our in memory. Okay, now what is that Django layers in memory? Okay, then for that also you will have to watch previous videos. Okay, I have defined that what this memory channel does. Okay, so consumers.py, and now we have added the channels into the group, and now we will do one thing, we will accept our client. Okay, with this accept method we will define our disconnect method, and for that we will use self dot channel layer dot discard underscore group. Oh, maybe it will be we will use group underscore discard method. Okay, and again we will pass these two parameters, room group name and channel name. It will discard the specified channel from the group. Okay, and now we will just print disconnected to be sure that the process has been ran successfully. All right. Okay, so obviously our view has been all right, main.html has been all right, our main.js is all right. Okay, and we have also defined our endpoint. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's run our server and see if things are working properly or not. Okay, let me do one thing. We will send message from the client side. Okay, when this open event is getting fired, what we will do is WebSocket dot send. Okay, we will send the message, hey, this is nucleus node. Okay, this is nucleus node. Let's see if I am using this correctly. All right, yeah, things are fine. Now let's run our server. Pattern manage.py run server. it will take some time. Okay, I have run this in PowerShell. Fine. In the command prompt I have to go, and now Python manage.py run server. Okay, Django is amazing framework. It has just so many functionalities, and the way of working is seriously so easy to work with this. Okay, let's move on to this link, and fine. Now we will enter our username, join room. Okay, let's inspect if there is any error from the client side. Failed to load resource. Web connection open, connection to this is failed. What it is trying to say. Attribute chat consumer object has no attribute room group name. WebSocket disconnect. Okay, chat consumer object has no attribute room group name. Oh, sorry, I have made one error. Okay, there will not be any channel layer. Okay, it's just this variable name, room group name equals to test group. Right, let's rerun our server, and yeah, things are working correctly. Let's refresh again, put in our username, join room. So again it is failed, and now connection open. Okay, I've got the problem. In this async method, I'm not adding the await statement, and that's why it is causing these errors. Okay, now in this disconnect method also I will have to add this await statement, and maybe it should run now. Okay, let's see if things are working correctly or not. Move to this browser, let's input our okay, connection has been opened, and our message should be printed. Hey, this is nucleus node. So client says, hey, this is nucleus node, and I am saying that yeah, I am the creator of nucleus node. So yeah, things are working correctly. Okay, so this is a video call application, and that's why it you should be seeing that video, right? That you should be able to access your camera. So let's dive into that camera portion now. Okay, so let's define constraints first. Okay, const constraints, it will be a JSON file saying video equals to true and audio equals to true. Fine. Now in JavaScript there is something called navigator dot navigator dot this media devices dot get user media, and we will pass constraints JSON object into it. Okay, and now it will return promise, and in that promise we will have our stream. Okay, uh, but we have not picked our video object, right? What is that? And yeah, this we'll have to pick this local video HTML object. Okay, so first let's pick that. So var local video document dot get element by id, and yeah, it's correct. Now in this local video dot src object, will pass this stream. Dot src object equals to stream, and we will have this semicolon. Okay, so let's run this. First we will clear this server and start a new one. Python manage.py run server. Okay, let's see if there is no error from the backend. It's not going to have any error as such, but it is taking a bit longer than usual. Tick 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 tick. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so here I am. Yeah, looking good. So let's turn off this. So our WebSocket has been configured for server also, for client also. We have also introduced video object today. Okay, and it's high time to introduce the WebRTC now. Okay, so stay tuned to it. Now in the later videos we will work with WebRTC, and we will create offers, we will create answers. Okay, and so yeah, it's kind of in the at the ending stage of this playlist. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe and please share it with your friends. Okay, so goodbye, take care.